Hey guys, let's do another unboxing video. This is the Creative Sound Blaster Katana version 2, which is the Katana V2. Do you guys know that this is actually one of my most anticipated speaker that I'm gonna try, because I actually own the Creative Sound Blaster Katana version 1 and it blew my mind. So I'm really excited about the version 2. So let's unbox this baby. Wow. So guys, this is actually my primary workstation. As you can see, my computer is over there. And guess where my speakers, where my Creative Katana version 2 is placed. So that is the monitor that I use to read commands. And this is my Montage 8. And look at how beautiful this is. Wow. And this is the subwoofer. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what is a discrete 5.1 surround sound.
Front, left, front, right, front, center. Rear, left, rear, right.
Power. Alright guys, that was the unboxing video for the Katana V2. So in my next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the difference between the Katana V2 and the Katana V1. Both of them are so good. Wow.